Hi, everybody, and welcome to week 4 of our class. It's been great to interact with all of you in the discussion boards. I'm really enjoying working with you. Thanks for all of your feedback as we move forward in this course. I want to address a couple things for week 4. And week 4 is unique. It's a little different from previous sessions that we've had in that there's not any specific assigned reading for this week. We're really spending time working on our projects. So you can see that the Educational Leadership Platform paper is due Sunday night, midnight, at the end of this session. The end of week 4. So this upcoming Sunday, that due date will be coming up. I want to make sure to emphasize the fact that it's it's acceptable and actually really valuable to include insight from your current work, whatever that may be. So I've heard from a couple different people saying, I'm not working currently in a school. And I want to say, just to clarify, there's a lot of flexibility involved with this assignment. So please don't be afraid to look at these topics through the lenses from your current practice, really considering what might this look like for me and what I'm doing or in what I hope to do in the future, even if that's not in a traditional school setting. So feel free to reach out to me via email, anna.vick@unco.edu with any questions, and we can talk about ways that we can adapt this assignment a little bit if you feel concerned about connections to your current or future work. Feel free to send an email regarding that. In addition, this week for our discussion, it's a little different as well. We're working on a webliography. So you'll be identifying 5 to 10 web-based sources, and these can be sources from Colorado or the state where you're working. These can also be sources that are national. So definitely looking around, getting creative, things that will be beneficial to you in your current or your future desired position. So professionally, thinking about clearinghouses or websites, evidence-based practices, what has been helpful for you in your practice, or what do you think might be helpful in the future? The sky is the limit with this. We may see some, repetition of a resource posted by, multiple people. If that resource has been particularly helpful, that's not a problem, but definitely get creative thinking about what has helped you or what may help you. This could be something related specifically to ABA, or it could be something more academic in nature, really just considering what has worked for you and for those around you as you've been investigating these concepts. It's also helpful to look for things that have an emphasis in leadership. So just because you haven't used it before doesn't mean you can't include it. This is actually a great opportunity to get ideas about resources, both with your own research and by reviewing the posts of other people. Finally, this is a great week to begin a rough draft of your epistemologies paper. So I'll pull that up here again. You can see we've got the rubric posted and the paper description. And I just want to make sure that everybody can access that. You'll see we've got different ideas that we're targeting. And we really can be going from this cheat sheet or outline. No need to cite this outline in APA format. If you use some of these concepts, feel free to just refer to it as the epistemology outline. And I'll know what you're meaning because we don't have all of the APA citation information included in this document. It's more of an informal resource for us. So no concerns in that regard. Just want to make sure that I clarified that. And that's what we have going on this week. I look forward to seeing all of you on the discussion boards and reviewing your resources, your networks, anything that seems valuable for the webliography. Feel free to post, and then you'll just add a sentence or two to summarize the resource. Talk to you soon. Thanks.